Alright, so number 13 on this problem set is really a sneaky differential equations question. So it gives you the derivative dy dx equals sine x cosine 2x. So I'm going to go ahead and separate the variable. Alright, and I said cosine 2x, I meant cosine squared x. I'll move the dx over to the other side. Alright, now I'm going to take the integral of both sides. So over here, I just get a y. Alright, on this side I'm going to need to do a u substitution. So I'm going to let u equal cosine x. So then du equals negative sine x dx. Alright, so I've got integral. I'm going to need a negative to counterbalance the negative sine x I needed. So u squared du. Alright, and then that's going to be raise and divide, so negative 1/3. Alright, u, which is cosine, alright, cubed x plus c. Alright, so that's my general solution. Now, they told me that if y equals 0 when x equals pi over 2, so 0 equals negative 1/3 cosine cubed of pi over 2. Alright, so pi over 2 is vertical, cosine is 0 there. So we get 0 equals negative 1/3 0 cubed plus c. So 0 equals c. Alright, that tells me my particular solution is y equals negative 1/3 cosine cubed x. Alright, now it asks you what's the value when x equals 0. So we're going to say y equals negative 1/3 cosine cubed of 0. Cosine of 0 is 1. 1 cubed is 1. So we get negative 1/3. Alright, and that would be the solution for this one. So it would be B, alright, as our correct answer, negative 1/3. Alright, I hope that answers. Thanks.